Hello students, class 5. I hope you all are fine. As in previous video we have solved exercise first A from question number 1 to 11. But in this video we are going to start question number 12. As you can see on the screen here, question number 12 is given simply 5. Okay. So here see this question. I have done solution also of this question. So your question number 12 is A part. 29 multiplied by 5, 12 multiplied by 7 and 13 multiplied by 5 and 82 multiplied by 8. Okay, here three signs are given: plus, minus and multiply. So this question we will solve step wise. Firstly will be multiply. According to Udma's rule, here will be firstly multiply because divide is not given. So firstly do this multiply. Student, you can check multiply on rough page also. 29 multiply by 5, how much will be? 145 minus as it is right. Okay, now after that 12 multiply by 7, 12 7 is 84, then minus 13 5 is 65 plus 82 multiply by 8, check on roughly page and multiply by, it is coming 656. Okay, now after that next step is, here is given 145 is plus and minus 84, plus minus only. So minus here 145 minus 84, how much left here? 61. Okay, and now here also do plus 656 minus 65, plus minus. So minus here 656 minus 65, how much left here? 591. And here sign will be plus. Why? Because 656 it is more by minus 65. Okay, so here sign will be plus only. Now both are coming number in plus only, plus 61 and plus 591. So last step what will be? Add together 61 plus 591, and required answer will be 652. Okay, student, you can check this on roughly page also. Is that clear? Now after that question number 13. Let's see this question number 13. Here is given, write two first common multiples of, first part is given 2 and 5. Is asking first two common multiples. So firstly we will find separately multiple of 2, then multiple of 5. Okay, here as I have solved here, multiple of 2 is equal to 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4. Simply write the table. Okay, then 6 8 12 10 12 14 16 18 and 20. Okay, these are multiple of 2. Similarly write the table of 5 also. So multiple of 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 3 ja 4 ja 5 ja 6 ja 7 ja 8 ja 9 ja and 10 ja. Okay, here has written. So simply write the table only. Now we will find which is the common multiple, two common multiple, both having, which having, here see in this 10, in this also 10. So first common multiple is coming 10. Second multiple what is coming? Here is 20, here also second common multiple is coming 20. So two answer will be here, two common multiple of 2 and 5, 10 and 20. Okay, is that clear? After that question number 13b. Similarly 13b part also you can do, that will be your homework. Okay, I will give that question for your homework. Next question is, here is given next question your 14. Okay, test the divisibility by of 251, 76, 630 and 1251 by 2, 3, 5 and 10. Okay, we will check divisibility by these number. Okay, so as I have written here, one side I have written numbers. Okay, and one side I have written digit, means by which digit these are divisible or not. Okay, so let's see here. Numbers are given 251. Firstly we will check 251, it is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, simply we know very well which having last ending digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that are divisible by 2. Okay, so here last ending digit you can see here what is coming, 1 only, so it is not divisible, so put here cross. Next by 3. Okay, by 3 how it will be divisible, by 3 we will check sum of these number. Okay, sum of these number 2 plus 5 plus 3, how much will be 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1, 8, and 8 means sum of number should be divisible. 2 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 8. Okay, sum of numbers should be divisible by 3 but not divisible, 3 by 8 not divisible, so 251 also not divisible by 3. Okay, by 2 also not and by 3 also not. Now we will check by 5. Simply checking when any number divided by 5 when it's having last ending digit 0 and 5 only. Okay, if any number having 0 and 5 last digit having, then it will be divisible by 5, but here last ending digit you can see here it is coming 1 only, so it is also not divisible by 5. Okay, 251 not divisible by 5. Last is 10. By 10 those number are divisible only which having last ending digit 0 only, but here last ending digit having 1 only, so it is not divisible by 10 also. Clear? Next question is B part. Okay, 76 is given. Clearly I told you last ending digit having, if okay, firstly we will write this answer. 251 not divisible by 2, 3 also not, 5 also not and 10 also not. Okay, we know about the rule by 2. Last ending digit having 6 and that is divisible by 2 also, 76 will be divisible by 2, so it right here make the sign correct. By 3. Okay, simply 7 plus 6, sum of number 7 plus 6 is equal to how much, 13. Sum of number should be divisible by 3 but sum of number not divisible by 3, so it will not be divisible by 3, so put here cross. Next, last digit having by 5 those number only divisible which having last ending digit 0 and 5, but here not, so it is also cross. Okay, last ending for 10 rule what is, last ending digit should be 0 but here is 6, so it is also not divisible by 10. Similarly third part also last ending digit having 0. Okay, I told you which having last ending digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 is coming, that will be divisible by 2, so it is divisible. Make your correct sign. By 3, sum of number 6 plus 3 plus 0, 6 and 3, 9. Sum of number is divisible by 3, so that number also divisible. So make here also correct. Now by 5, last ending digit is 0. Which number? Last ending is 0 and 5, so this is also divisible by 5. Okay, last ending digit having 0, so it is also divisible by 10. Next, similarly we can check, here is 1 not divisible by 2. Okay, Here 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9. Sum of number divisible by 3, so it is also divisible by 3. Here last ending digit 1, but for 5 0 and 5 should be there, so it is not divisible. Make here cross. And for 10 0 should be lasting there, but here not, so make here cross. Is that clear? Now after that, let's see the question number. Here's the question number 17. Okay, what sums I'm doing here? Which number is 17,349 more than 28,643? He's asking which number will be more than. More than means plus. Which number be more than will be 28,643. So there will be the required number simply will be add only, because more than means plus and less than means minus. Okay, so add both these number 17,349 and 28,643. Add together 9 plus 3 12. 12 times 2 and carry 1 is left. 4 plus 4 8 and carry 1 here 9. Okay, 6 plus 3 9. 7 and 8 15 and carry 1 is left. 1 plus 1 2 and 2 and 2 4. Clear? After that, next question is, see here. Let's see 17b part. A building has 15 floors. Each floor has 9 flats. Okay, and each flat has 4 rooms. Then how many rooms are there in the building? Firstly, we will write in this question what is given clearly. Okay, as solution also I have done here, so see carefully. A building has how many floors? 15 floors. So your number of floors what are given? 15 only. Okay, number of floors is equal to 15, and each floor has one floor having how many flats? 9. Each floor has equal to 9 flats. Then after, each flat has how many rooms? 4 rooms. Then each flat has 4 rooms. Clearly you can see. Okay, so after that, how many rooms are there in the building? Then how many rooms will be in the building? Okay, so total rooms will be in the building. How many will be? Here can see simply one floor, sorry, number of floor 15. Each floor has 9 flat. So total flat what will be? 15 9 ja 135. Okay, and each floor each flat has how many rooms? 4 rooms. So here also will be multiply by 4, as I have done downside. The total room will be 15 multiply by 9 multiply by 4. Okay, so here do multiply 15 9 ja 35 and multiply by 4 by room also. Now do 4 5 ja 20, carry 2 is left here. 4 3 ja 12, 12 and 2 14, then carry 1 more is left. 4 1 ja 4. Okay, 4 and 1 5. So required answer what will be? 540 rooms. It will be your required answer. Okay, so this building having how many rooms total? 540. So till here your exercise finished. We are going, and in next video, means for coming tomorrow, we will start exercise first B. Okay, so students, do practice properly this exercise first A and do your homework also properly. Okay, I will give you homework from this exercise first A only. Is that clear? That question will be your remaining part. Some part I have solved and other remaining part you will do by yourself properly in your homework copy. Okay, so till for today this is enough from me and for you also. Thank you, students.